So it's par for the course when you're getting ready to sell your home that you're running around like a crazy person while you are doing it. But I'm still taking a moment to make my little video for today. So today I want to share with you my big time cleaning hack. I am the mom of 2 elder teens and as such, I refuse to clean their bathroom. And because of that, I don't go in their bathroom. And so maybe they haven't been as good at cleaning their bathroom as I would have liked or hoped. So when I went to go clean their bathroom this week to get it ready for photography, I recognized that they have a shower insert in their bathroom and it was just kind of gross. So I pulled out my big time cleaning hack, which is the Clorox shower spray, the one with bleach. And so I bought this set on Amazon. I feel like I bought it 100 years ago, probably 5 years ago, but it comes with all of these different brushes, little brushes. I have this roundish one, which was awesome for getting into the corners of the shower. And then there are flat ones that have different like stiffnesses, if you will. And I used those, like this one's really soft. I used those to scrub the ever-loving bejesus out of their shower, and it worked like a miracle. And then after that, I used my other cleaning hack, which I learned from a house cleaner also about 100 years ago, and that is use carnauba wax. So obviously not on the floor of the shower, but regular car wax. After I did this, which did not, I was afraid that it might scratch the shower insert, but it didn't scratch it at all. So, but test it on a small area if you're gonna do it. But then I just put wax on, and this little thing comes with little pads that go right onto your drill. So it legit made the job a lot easier than it would have been. So highly recommended. The other thing that I read about for those like shower inserts is to use the barkeeper's friend, whatever that stuff is. You can also use that, but only use like a tiny amount because I guess it's really strong. So there's my big time cleaning hack for getting your house ready to sell or just cleaning in general. So the other thing, I had my photographer here yesterday, and we were chatting afterward, and he said, you know what's funny is that, so I personally always hire a photographer to shoot all of my houses. So I exclusively use him. He does all of my listings, period. I don't care if it's a mobile home or if it's a multi-million-dollar home. We always do the full works. And he said that over the past year, he's done, I think he said about 30 different shoots for real estate agents selling their own houses. And the interesting thing about that, so real estate agents are using professional photographers to sell their own houses. He said, but those agents, about 30 of them anyway, out of the ones that he has done, were not using professional photography to sell other people's houses. So they weren't using him or any other professional photographer to actually list for their clients. And that says a lot. So agents know that professional photos help to show the houses better, and it helps to sell the house. If you can see a great example of what a home looks like online, you're more likely to go see it or eliminate it based on what it looks like. So that was kind of eye-opening. So he said, you know, tell your people if they see an agent coming in with an iPhone shooting their house, you know, if it's a rental, it's one thing, but if it's a listing where you're making thousands of dollars and probably tens of thousands of dollars, they should be using a professional photographer because we use it on our own homes. Anyway, that's it. I am actually just getting the house ready for showings, and then I am headed out of town for a few days because I deserve it. I need it, actually. You guys have a great weekend. Oh, how do I turn